Hello friends, so I am going to tell you about allege tape. So guys, there are different types of allege tapes as you can see. Normally, allege tapes are electronically operated and there are two types of allege tapes. First one is switch type and another one is soft touch type. So guys, with the help of allege tape, we can measure the allege, temperature and interface of the cargo tank. But while measuring the allege tape, we connect the earth cable of the allege tape to prevent any static hazards to take place. And we also have to wear face masks because while opening the tank there are a lot of fumes coming outside of the tank. So to be safe, we have to wear our face mask properly. After that, we put the allege tape from the allege port. But while putting the allege tape downwards in the tank, we have to open the ball valve completely. Because if the ball valve is partially open, the allege sensor can break out, due to which the allege tape can blast. So, when the allege tape touches the cargo present in the tank, there will be a beep sound coming. But guys, there will be different types of beep sound for allege and interface. It means that if the allege tape touches the cargo, it will make a different sound, and when the tape will touch the interface, it will make a different sound. And if you want to measure the temperature of the cargo, the temperature will automatically get displayed on the screen.
So guys, now we are going to study about UTI. The full form of UTI, as you can see, U for allege, T for temperature, I for interface. What is interface? I will tell you later on. First of all, let's come and see about the cargo tank which I have drawn. This is a cargo tank, and above the cargo tank there is allege port and a tank dome. From allege port we put the UTI to measure the allege, which is the interface, the empty space between the tank top and the cargo. And we can also measure the cargo temperature from the top part, middle part and the lower part. And the below of the cargo there are water contents, which is known as interface. And below of that tank also there is a double bottom tank or ballast tank. But beside these tanks there are wind tank. As you can see, we have drawn at the side, both side of the cargo tank, port side and starboard side, there are wings tank, and double bottom tank is common for all the ship. Now we can measure the temperature from the top part, lower part, middle part and lower part. So this is about the allege. Now we can come and see over here what is steam coil. So guys, now I am going to show you how the cargo is maintained in the cargo tank. So this is a cargo tank in which there is a steam coil. Steam coil is nothing but it is used to maintain the temperature of the cargo which is inside the cargo tank. And when we are loading the cargo tank with cargo, we are putting some inert gas which contains low content of oxygen because some fire or explosion cannot take place. So the inert gas is replaced when we are discharging or unloading the cargo tank. So when we are traveling in a cooler place, the steam coil is used to maintain the temperature of the cargo, because if the cargo gets frost, like in this picture you can see I have made a drawing. So if we don't maintain the steam coil properly, this is what going to be happen. The cargo will shift to one side, due to which the listing and trimming of the vessel is going to take place and the bulkhead partition will get damaged. due to which the ship will sink and a few more heavy accidents can take place. So for traveling with the cargo from one place to another, we need to maintain the steam coil properly. So if we maintain the steam coil properly, this is how the cargo will look and we can travel with the cargo safely. And if we maintain the inert gas properly also, there is no chance of fire taking place inside the cargo tank. So guys, this is UTI tape, which is battery operated and electronic device. It is having an UTI sensor, which is I am going to show you by lowering down the tape. See guys, this is the UTI sensor, which is having two tips. I am going to show you the two tips. See over here. One tip is for ullage and interface and one tip is for temperature. We can measure the ullage and interface from this tip and we can measure the temperature from another tip. This is how the UTI tapes works. So guys, this is UTI tape. In this UTI tape, there is a switch, downward switch. If now the switch is in off position. If we put the switch in downward position, then we'll get ullage or interface. And if we put the switch in upward position, we'll get the interface. For a demo, we have taken a cargo tank so that I can explain you how to take the ullage. Now we are going to put the switch in ullage and interface position. See, now we have put the switch in ullage and interface position. Now we are going to lower the tape downwards in the tank. Slowly we have to lower it. So guys, now you can see that the sounder is sounding and giving us an alarm of the ullage. So this is our ullage. As you can see, we can see the ullage measurement from here. It is approximately 1 meter and 44 centimeter approximately. So now we are going to pull up this tape slowly. Pull the switch. So this is how we take the measurement of the ullage. So now I am going to take the measurement of the temperature. So guys, now I am going to show you how to take the temperature of the cargo. First of all, we will put the switch upwards, and you can see over here the normal temperature of the tape. It is approx 29.6. Now we are going to put the tape in the cargo tank. We have to pull the button and put the tape downwards slowly. So guys, we can measure the temperature from the three portion of the cargo: top portion, middle portion and the bottom portion. Now we are measuring the temperature of the top portion. Let's see what is the temperature of the cargo in the top portion. See guys, before it was 29.6 and now in the top portion the temperature of the cargo is 28.4. Now we are going to take the temperature of the cargo in the middle portion. Now we are going to lower the tape little more downwards. See, now it is in middle position. Now let's see what is the temperature in the middle position. See, before it was 28.4 and now it is 28.3. Now more we are going to put the tape in the bottom position. Now we are going to put the tape in little more downwards. Now see, it is more in the bottom position, and now let's see the temperature. It is approximately 28.3. So this is how we measure the temperature of the cargo from the three portion. Now I am going to take the tape upwards. Slowly. And this is how we measure the ullage and temperature of the cargo. Now I am going to put off this switch. As I have told you before about UTI tape, now I am going to tell you more about stability and no stability in ship. How the stability can happen and no stability can happen in ship. So as you can see, this is a tank which has a steam coil. So if heat is present in the steam coil, the cargo will be in good position and it will not lift to one side and the ship can travel safely. But in this diagram, or in second case, as you can see, if there is no heat in the steam coil, the cargo can shift to one side of the ship, and due to which the ship can list and ship can also trim, and due to which the ship's tank can be damaged and the ship can be broken, and due to which the major accident can happen. So if you want to travel safe, the heat must be present in the steam coil for the stability of the ship and good traveling also.